Have you ever wondered how a machine can mimic human intelligence? Welcome to the mesmerizing realm of artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known. AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. Now, this isn't some futuristic concept. It's here, and it's been here for quite some time. Our journey begins in the mid-20th century. The term artificial intelligence was first coined in 1956 by John McCarthy, a young academic who dreamt of creating machines that could replicate human thought. From then on, the field of AI has had its ups and downs, experiencing periods of intense interest and times of disillusionment, periods we refer to as AI winters. Despite these fluctuations, AI has made enormous strides and has become an integral part of our daily lives. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation systems on Netflix and Amazon to self-driving cars, AI is everywhere. It's not just limited to these well-known examples. AI is also revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, making processes more efficient and accurate. The importance of AI in today's world cannot be overstated. It's like a new electricity, powering innovations and advancements in nearly every field. Understanding AI is not just for techies or computer scientists. It's for anyone and everyone who wants to stay relevant in this rapidly changing world. AI is not just about machines and algorithms, it's about enhancing human life, solving complex problems, and creating a world that was once only imagined in science fiction. Isn't it exciting to think that we are living in an era where machines can understand, learn, and even make decisions? So, ready to delve deeper into the fascinating world of AI? Let's move on to the next segment. Ever wondered what makes an AI tick? Let's dismantle this complex machine and take a look at its building blocks. At the heart of AI are algorithms. These are essentially a set of rules or instructions that the AI follows to solve problems or achieve a particular goal. They are like the brain of the AI, making decisions based on the data they are given. Now let's delve a little deeper and talk about machine learning. This is a subfield of AI where algorithms learn from data. Instead of being explicitly programmed to perform a task, machine learning algorithms are trained on vast amounts of data and use this to make predictions or decisions. It's like teaching a child to recognize shapes. You show them a bunch of different shapes, and after seeing enough examples, they can identify a square or a circle on their own. This brings us to neural networks inspired by our own human brains. These intricate systems take machine learning to the next level by recognizing patterns in the data they are fed. Imagine teaching our child to recognize not just basic shapes, but complex objects like a bicycle or a tree. Neural networks can do this by analyzing many examples and figuring out the common features that define each object. All right, we've talked about the AI, but what about you, the AI enthusiast? Well, to truly understand AI, a strong foundation in math and programming is essential. Math, especially statistics and probability, helps us understand how AI makes its predictions. Programming, on the other hand, is the tool we use to build and fine-tune our AI models. Don't worry if you're not a math whiz or a coding genius just yet. There are plenty of resources available to help you strengthen these skills. Now that we know the ingredients, how about we explore the recipe to make AI work? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. How do you keep up with a field that's evolving faster than you can blink? That's the question looming over anyone interested in artificial intelligence. But fret not, there are plenty of resources to help you stay on top of the latest trends and developments in AI. Firstly, AI blogs are a treasure trove of information. They provide insights into the latest research, innovations, and discussions in AI. You can find blogs run by AI researchers, tech companies, and even universities. They often provide a mix of technical and non-technical content, making them suitable for everyone, regardless of their AI expertise. Next up, newsletters. These are like your personalized AI news digest. They deliver the latest AI news, articles, and resources right to your inbox. Whether you're interested in AI ethics, machine learning algorithms, or AI in business, there's a newsletter out there for you. Podcasts are another fantastic way to stay updated. They offer the convenience of learning on the go. You can listen to them while commuting, working out, or doing chores. There are numerous AI podcasts hosted by industry experts discussing a wide range of topics from AI applications to the future of AI. AI journals are also invaluable resources. These peer-reviewed publications contain in-depth research articles, case studies, and reviews. They offer a deeper dive into the technical aspects of AI and are a great source if you're looking to explore the nitty-gritty of AI algorithms and methodologies. And let's not forget about AI webinars and conferences. These events bring together AI experts, researchers, and enthusiasts from around the world. They offer a platform to learn about the latest breakthroughs, share ideas, and even network with AI professionals. In conclusion, staying updated with AI trends is like trying to catch a train that's always on the move. It might seem daunting at first, but with the right resources and a little bit of determination, it's definitely achievable. Remember, in the world of AI, being updated is not a choice, it's a necessity. Did you know interacting with others can significantly boost your AI knowledge? It's true. We're living in an age where the internet has made it easier than ever to connect with like-minded individuals and experts in the field of artificial intelligence. Let's start with networking. This isn't about swapping business cards at a corporate event. It's about building relationships with fellow AI enthusiasts, professionals, and thought leaders. These connections can provide insights, advice, and perspectives that you might not have considered. They can challenge your understanding, push your boundaries, and spur you on to new heights of knowledge. So, get involved in online AI communities, engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your insights. You'll be amazed at how much you can learn. But networking isn't just about talking, it's about doing too. Participating in AI challenges can give you the opportunity to apply what you've learned, solve real-world problems, and get feedback from experts. Plus, it's a great way to showcase your skills and possibly catch the eye of future employers or collaborators. Next, we have AI conferences. These events are the ultimate networking opportunity. Not only do you get to hear from some of the leading voices in the field, but you also get the chance to meet them, discuss their work, and maybe even collaborate on future projects. These conferences often host workshops, panel discussions, and presentations on the latest advancements and trends in AI. They're a goldmine of knowledge waiting to be tapped. And remember, networking isn't a one-way street. As you grow in your understanding and expertise, consider giving back to the community. Share your own insights, mentor newcomers, or even organize your own AI meetups or challenges. So, don't be shy and start networking. After all, no man is an island, especially in the world of AI. Want to learn AI at your own pace from the comfort of your home? Well, you're in luck. The internet is an abundant source of AI knowledge, catering to all levels of expertise. Let's delve into how you can leverage these resources to boost your understanding of artificial intelligence. First, consider exploring online platforms that offer comprehensive AI courses. Websites such as Coursera, edX, and Udacity provide a plethora of courses taught by AI experts from top universities and companies worldwide. These platforms offer a structured learning path that covers fundamental AI concepts to advanced topics. Whether you're a beginner wanting to grasp the basics or a professional seeking to delve deeper, there's a course tailored for you, and the best part, you can learn at your own pace. Moving on, tutorials are another fantastic resource to strengthen your AI understanding. Websites like Kaggle and Medium are treasure troves of tutorials where you can learn how to implement AI algorithms, build models, and much more. These practical guides provide a hands-on approach to learning, allowing you to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. But let's not forget the wealth of knowledge encapsulated in research papers. Renowned platforms such as Arxiv and Google Scholar host a vast number of AI-related papers. Reading these can give you insights into the latest AI research and developments. It's like having a front-row seat to the cutting-edge advancements in AI. Moreover, many of these resources are free, making it even easier for you to dive into the world of AI. However, investing in a few paid resources can also be beneficial, providing you with more in-depth knowledge and often coming with perks like certification, which can add significant value to your professional profile. So, don't wait. Begin your AI learning journey today. With these resources, you'll be well on your way to becoming an AI expert. Remember, the key is consistency. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep implementing. With the internet at your fingertips, there's no limit to what you can learn. Wondering how AI is transforming the world around you? Let's dive into some real-world applications of artificial intelligence to help you grasp how this technology is revolutionizing industries. Starting with healthcare, AI is making a profound impact. It's being used in predictive analysis to identify high-risk patients, improve diagnoses, and even develop new drugs. Picture a world where AI systems can scan medical images, spot abnormalities, and provide potential diagnoses, all before a doctor even sees the patient. These advancements are not only enhancing the precision of medical interventions, but also potentially saving countless lives. In the realm of finance, AI is a game changer too. It's being used in everything from fraud detection to portfolio management. Imagine an AI system that can study your spending habits, identify unusual transactions, and alert you to potential fraud. Or consider AI-powered robo-advisors that can manage your investments, adjusting your portfolio based on market trends and your financial goals. These applications are making finance more secure and personalized. And let's not forget transportation. AI is the driving force behind self-driving cars and intelligent traffic management systems. Picture a world where your car drives you to work while you relax and read the morning news, or a city where traffic signals adjust in real time to prevent congestion. These are not far-off dreams, but realities being shaped by AI. Understanding these real-world applications of AI can provide you with practical insights into how this technology works and its potential impact. It can help you see beyond the hype and appreciate the concrete benefits AI brings to our lives. Moreover, it can inspire you to think about new ways AI can be used to solve problems and enhance our everyday experiences. The key takeaway here is that AI is not just a buzzword or a theoretical concept. It's a transformative technology that's already making a huge impact on our world. And the more you understand about its real-world applications, the better equipped you'll be to leverage its potential and contribute to its evolution. From healthcare to transportation, AI is everywhere. So next time you see AI in action, don't just admire it, understand it. Well, that was a whirlwind tour of AI. Feeling enlightened yet? We've taken you on a journey through the building blocks of AI, keeping you abreast of the latest trends. We've shown you the importance of networking, participating in AI challenges, and the amazing opportunities that can arise from these interactions. We've also highlighted the wealth of online resources available at your fingertips, from courses to tutorials and research papers. We've shown you how AI is transforming industries, from healthcare to finance and transportation, providing you with practical insights into its applications. But remember, all this is just the beginning. The world of AI is an ocean of knowledge waiting to be explored. So keep learning, keep questioning, keep delving deeper into this fascinating world. Because every new piece of information, every new concept understood, brings you one step closer to mastery. Remember, the world of AI is vast and ever evolving, so keep learning, keep exploring, and who knows, you might be the next AI genius.